One line. You hit run, and instantly, a greeting. But here's the thing your computer will never admit. It doesn't actually speak Python. So what happens in the split second between run and this line showing up? There's the output. Simple on the surface. But underneath, Python just did something clever to turn your text into something a machine can actually run. Let's fill in that missing middle, how Python actually runs your code. Every language picks one of two paths. A compiled language like C is translated upfront into raw machine code, then run. Fast, but you wait for a build. An interpreted language is read and run as it goes. Python, it's a blend of both, and that blend is the whole trick. Here's what actually happens when you press run. 4 stops between your file and the output. Follow the flow. Your source file goes into a compiler that ships inside Python. It doesn't make machine code. It makes bytecode. Simpler, lower-level instructions. That bytecode is handed to the Python virtual machine, the PVM. The PVM runs each instruction, and out comes your result. That bytecode isn't a metaphor. You can see it. Ask Python to disassemble a line, and it shows the bytecode. Load the value 5, store it in X. These are the tiny steps the machine actually follows. Your clean one-liner becomes a short list of dead simple instructions. That compile step does you one more favor. Here's a line with a missing quote. A syntax mistake. Watch what Python does with it. A syntax error. And notice, nothing printed. Python compiles the whole file first, so a syntax slip is caught before a single line runs. The compile step is your first safety net. Ever notice a second run feels snappier? When you import your own file, Python saves its bytecode in a folder called PyCache as a .pyc file. Next time, if the source hasn't changed, it skips compiling and reuses that. Same result, faster start. So what runs those instructions? The Python virtual machine is a program that reads bytecode and does the work. Think of it as a translator that lives on your computer. And because every machine has its own PVM, the exact same .py file runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux. You never rewrite it. This isn't just trivia. It explains Python's personality. That pipeline is why Python feels so easy. No build to wait on, runs anywhere, quick to change. The price is a little raw speed compared to C. For most work, that's a trade you'll happily make. And now you know, even a 2+3 in the REPL takes this exact path. Compile to bytecode, run on the PVM, show the result. Every single time. So, Python compiles your source into bytecode, the virtual machine runs it, and that's why one file works on any operating system. Not magic. Just a clean pipeline. Try this. In the REPL, import ds and disassemble one of your own lines. See your code become bytecode. So far, your programs run straight through top to bottom. Next, they start making decisions, running some lines only when a condition is true. That's the if statement, and it changes everything.